Good afternoon, everyone. This is Victoria from Blue Heron Arts, and in front of me there are two paintings of a winter sweet, the yellow one, and the plum blossom, the pink one, the red one, and also the two kind of flowers in this little vase. The red one is plum blossom, and the yellow one is the winter sweet. Tomorrow is going to be rain, and this is the seasonal flower. They are all blooming, and I did both of them. And this one, the plum blossom, I have done it 2 weeks ago for the workshop, and this one I just made. And I'm going to sign the name and put the name seal there. And I think this is the chance I like to share about the two flowers. There are what's the difference in between two of them besides the color. First of all, the plum blossom are tree, so it's bigger, and the yellow one, the winter sweet, is bush. So in the painting, of course, we choose not the whole thing but partial. So in the plum blossom, more old, aged chunk things and the tree barks things, and less showing on the winter sweet because the bush one. And the second one difference is the this bush one, winter sweet, is in the late autumn, late fall, and winter, and that one is the early spring. So after the winter. So this winter sweet normally with some very old remain leaves, autumn leaves on the branch, and no leaves at all on blossom flower when the flowering. Okay, that's the second difference. And also for the flower, there are some differences. Let's get closer looking. For the flower shape, this one, the plum blossom, are more flat, more opened. And this one, the winter sweet, is more bowl shaped. It's like that. Because the single petal for them, the winter sweet, the yellow one, are more longer and stronger, so all the way go a little bit higher and a little bit bent at the very end tip of that. Okay, so and this one, the red one, the plum blossom, no matter there is some different color, okay, pink one or white one, are more flat, and like very rounded. However, I can show you the shape of the bowl. So lots of flowers, they have the like a bowl shape, but the plum blossom is like the bowl of this kind of, shape, or even the plate shape, like that. And the winter sweet, we could say, is more like this shape. Side view of them is higher. That's the difference for the shape. That's why I painted. See this more flat, and this kind of bowl shaped. And also for the center, there is lots of stamen pistil in the plum blossom, and very short, almost in painting, we can ignore for the winter sweet. See that? Very short. You cannot really see it. So in the painting, we ignore it. No whisk things like the stamen here. no whisk things in center, whisker things. Okay, that's the main difference for those two. So not just to change the color to the yellow, that's the winter sweet. They are two different things, okay? Okay, now I'm going to sign my name and name seal on this winter sweet. Since I painted this, I used watercolor. It's on the silk. It's more modern, so I do not have to follow the old tradition of sign the ink, like give the title or some things. I'm going to sign the English, English at, here, and put my name seal. I just use watercolor. See, some color of orangish and amber color in the center of the winter sweet. So I picked some of this color. By the way, if the black color wouldn't show that much on this dark background of dark blue. Let's see, this is. This fabric is silk, so I need to get certain volume to do. So just simply Victoria. So just do V. Oh. And then I put my name seal aside. The name seal, I still use the Chinese name seal ink pad. It's oil based, a little bit harder to put on the fabric. But the color is good, it's red. It's kind of fire red. Pardon me? Oh, and you say they put on the side of left of my name. Here, how like a root here. Be careful. It's wet. Touch it and hard, firm press, oil based. Make sure the ink touched. No shaking, keep stable, front, left, okay, back, and the right, four sides, touch, and then hold it, gently lift. Yeah, it's pretty good, you can see. Okay, that's it. I didn't mount it. It's Japanese silk, and it's no, do not have to stretch it. So just use paper weight and no wave during painting. So and then later, no winkle. Later I need to mount it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.